Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. When it comes to battery, Apple always provides good battery life for its devices. Apple uses lithium-ion technology for iPhone batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are claimed to charge faster, last longer and have a higher power density for more battery life. However, the battery health of your iPhone starts to decrease after a certain period of time. If you have a new iPhone with 100% battery life, then you can use proper charging techniques and follow some tips to maintain your iPhone's battery health at 100%. Tips 1. Enable low power mode. For that, launch Settings app, scroll down and find Battery. Next, click on Battery. Now turn on low power mode if it's turned off. Tips 2. Enable optimized battery charging. If you have this feature on, keep it running because it also helps the device to keep the battery safe. What it does, it will charge up to 80% for your iPhone before you are able to use it. Again, and the remaining 20% will continue to charge until you pick it up in the morning. To enable optimized battery charging, open the Settings app, find and tap on Battery. Next, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Turn on Optimized Battery Charging. Tips 3. Enable dark mode. To enable, go to Settings app, scroll down to find Display and Brightness, click on it. From here, select dark. Tips 4. Set auto lock. While the screen is on, you are consuming power and charger. So make sure your iPhone or iPad isn't awake when you don't need it to be. It's smart to set the auto lock to an ultra 30 seconds if you want to maintain 100% battery health. To set auto lock, launch Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness, scroll down and select auto lock. Set your device to sleep after 30 seconds of inactivity. Tips 5. Enable auto brightness. For that, open Settings app, find and tap on Accessibility. Now select Display and Text Size. Scroll down to bottom and enable auto brightness. Tip 6. Protect your iPhone from overheating. Most people are leaving their iPhone in their dash, in their vehicles or on the beach. We are sitting in direct sunlight and we are leaving them out. This really affects the life of the battery because when you keep it under a warm atmosphere, it only retains its charging in the long run. All you need to do is always try to cover your phone under direct sunlight when you are at the beach and avoid leaving, particularly in car dashes etc. So stop long-term high temperatures that directly hit your iPhone. Tip 7. Don't charge your iPhone all the way to 100%. Older types of batteries had a battery memory. If you don't have charged them as much as you should and discharge them to zero tanks, they all remembered and restricted their range of use. It was better because of their longevity. If you were tired and fully charging battery, newer phone batteries meanwhile operate in a particular way. It insists that the battery is completely depleted or fully charged. Phone batteries are the happiest if you keep them above 20% capacity and below 90% capacity. To be extremely accurate, they have the happiest potentials of about 50%. Tips 8. Use original charger. One of the most important and useful tips to prolong your iPhone's battery health is to use the original chargers and accessories. Always use the original iPhone charger, otherwise you might cause harm to the battery of the iPhone by using cheap chargers. In the meantime, these Apple chargers are specifically tailored to charge your devices, and they have all the technology needed to provide you with the most optimal charging conditions and stability for charging your devices. Tips 9. Update iOS. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, click Update Now. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.